lost in the wild, or prepping for emergencies. Check out the 10 coolest new survival gadgets on Amazon for 2025 that you'll wish you had sooner. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, survivalist, or daring person, you are aware that having the proper gear can make the difference between a difficult and enjoyable experience. By 2025, Amazon will be stocked with cutting-edge survival gear and gadgets that will make your existence in the wild safer, easier, and more comfortable. There's something for everyone, whether you're searching for a multi-tool that can manage any task or a bright spotlight that can illuminate the deepest paths. Now let's explore the top new survival gear and devices available on Amazon this year. Sole Emergency Bivy Sack. Anyone going into cold or uncertain conditions needs to have the Sole Emergency Bivy Sack. This little, light sack is made to offer warmth and emergency shelter in a survival scenario. Even in frigid temperatures, it retains your body heat because it is made of heat-reflective materials. When you need life-saving protection, the Sole Emergency Bivy Sack is compact enough to put in your pocket or backpack. This bivy sack guarantees that you will remain warm and safe until assistance arrives, whether you are hiking in the mountains or in an unforeseen storm. Anyone who takes their safety seriously when going on outdoor experiences will find it to be a true lifesaver. Gerber Bear Grylls Survival Series. One of the most reputable brands in survival gear is the Gerber Bear Grylls Survival Series. Bear Grylls, a survival expert, created this set of skills to help you deal with the most difficult situations you may encounter in the wild. Every item, from multi-tools and fire starters to knives and machetes, is expertly made to offer strength and adaptability in an emergency. With attributes like non-slip handles, long-lasting blades, and convenient mobility, Gerber tools are renowned for their dependability. The Gerber Bear Grylls Survival Series includes everything you need to keep safe and prepared, whether you're dealing with harsh conditions or just need a dependable tool for daily usage. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. It can be difficult to find safe drinking water when you're in the woods. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter fills that need by providing a quick and easy way to cleanse water from rivers, lakes, or streams. You may safely drink from almost any water source thanks to this groundbreaking technology that filters out dangerous germs, parasites, and other impurities. The LifeStraw is a necessary item for anyone going into the bush because it is small, light, and simple to use. This portable water filter guarantees that you won't ever have to worry about dehydration, even in isolated areas, whether you're hiking, camping, or getting ready for an emergency. Gudemo Rechargeable Hand Warmers. No matter how cold the weather gets, you can keep your hands warm with the Gudemo Rechargeable Hand Warmers. Cold hands may ruin any outdoor experience. Because these hand warmers are rechargeable, you won't have to buy throwaway ones all the time, which will save you money and waste. The warmers are compact and lightweight, simply slipping into your gloves or pocket, and they offer comforting warmth for hours on end. They are perfect for everything from winter hiking to lounging by the campfire, because they have heat settings that can be adjusted to your preferred amount of warmth. The Gudemo Rechargeable Hand Warmers are a must-have for anyone venturing into the cold outdoors because of their small size and durable heating capabilities. Anker Power Bank. Even when you're off the grid, staying charged is more crucial than ever in today's digital world. For anyone who depends on electronics for outdoor activities, the Anker Power Bank is a lifeline. The Anker Power Bank's large capacity allows you to charge several devices at once, including your GPS unit, camera, and phone and tablet. Its high-speed charging capabilities guarantee that your devices are always ready to go when you need them, and its small size makes packing a breeze. The Anker Power Bank is a necessary piece of equipment for remaining connected and energized when traveling because of its robust design, which guarantees that it can endure the rigors of outdoor living. Blooker Rechargeable Flashlight. Anyone who requires a dependable light source for emergencies or outdoor adventures should have the Blooker Rechargeable Flashlight. The Blooker Flashlight is rechargeable, which will ultimately save you time and money in contrast to conventional flashlights that use throwaway batteries. Whether you're looking for anything in the dark or navigating through deep forests at night, its strong LED light reveals even the darkest places. With the flashlight's many light modes, you may change the brightness to suit your needs. It is the ideal addition to your emergency pack, bug-out bag, or camping equipment because of its strong, water-resistant construction, which guarantees that it can survive harsh environments. Trendo Winter Gloves. Wearing dependable gloves can make all the difference when venturing into the cold. Even in the coldest temperatures, the Trendo Winter Gloves are made to keep your hands warm, dry, and practical. These gloves, which are made of windproof material and have a soft, insulated inside, trap heat while letting your hands breathe, providing optimal comfort for extended outdoor activities. These gloves' touchscreen compatibility is one of their best qualities. It lets you use your phone, GPS, and other electronics without taking them off. The Trendo Winter Gloves are essential for everyone who want to stay warm and connected in the cold, whether they are trekking, camping, or just taking part in winter activities. Pohaku 13 in One Pocket Multi-Tool. Anyone who enjoys being ready for anything will find the Pohaku 13 in One Pocket Multi-Tool to be the ideal tool. From a wrench and screwdrivers to a knife and bottle opener, this amazing multi-tool combines 13 diverse features into a single, portable, and practical design. The Pohaku multi-tool can be used for a variety of activities, whether you're in a survival crisis or simply need a tool for a quick fix. Having this multi-tool in your pack or pocket gives you the confidence to tackle any obstacle that comes your way, much like having a toolbox with you. Jizana Wool Socks. A decent pair of socks is one of the most underappreciated items of equipment for outdoor activities. No matter how severe the weather becomes, Jizana Wool Socks are revolutionary for keeping your feet warm and cozy. In addition to being extremely robust, these socks can endure rough terrain and lengthy excursions without becoming thin. They are ideal for all-day wear because of the soft, cushioned sole, which gives an additional layer of comfort by absorbing shock as you walk. These socks are a crucial piece of equipment to have if you're going out in the cold, because they will keep you warm and keep chilly feet from spoiling your trip. Proximo 9 in One Multi-Tool. A true game changer for anyone who enjoys exploring the outdoors is the Proximo 9 in One Multi-Tool. This multi-tool's elegant, small design allows it to fit comfortably into your pocket, bag, or belt loop while combining 9 important functions. The Proximo multi-tool can be used as a knife, screwdriver, bottle opener, or even a little saw to cut branches. You can rely on this multi-tool to endure in demanding situations since each feature was created with longevity and usefulness in mind. Lightweight and designed to tackle difficult jobs, the Proximo 9 in One is the ideal partner for hiking, camping, and emergency circumstances. It's comforting to know that you have a dependable, multi-purpose tool at your disposal when you're in the wild. Which survival gadget is your favorite? Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments for more epic gear updates.